What if I told you there was a way to navigate to a resolution of your divorce or custody case that emphasized collaboration and empowered you to create your own solutions, one that did not require heading into a courtroom? And what if that alternative didn't even require both sides to hire lawyers? I'm Ryan Reed. I'm a family law mediator with Cedar Ridge Solutions Family Mediation Service. And though many people assume that lawyering up and having their case decided in a courtroom is the only way to navigate a family court matter, there is another basic alternative, and that's mediation. If you're facing a family court matter, whether it's a divorce case or a custody dispute or some other family law type of issue, it's completely normal to feel overwhelmed. The legal complexities and the emotional strain can make the road ahead look daunting. But the mediation path is one that prioritizes collaboration, communication, and most importantly, keeps the parties themselves in charge of choosing their own solutions. Both as a family court mediator and as a divorce and custody attorney here in Kentucky, I've seen firsthand how effective mediation can be, especially for those who want to avoid the adversarial and sometimes combative nature of traditional litigation. So what we're talking about here is the possibility of mediating your case without attorneys involved in the room on either side, often called pro se mediation. Why should people consider this? Well, first, it's about empowerment. In mediation, you, the spouses or the parents, are ultimately in control. You and the other party work together with the help and support of the mediator, and by relying on the process, you can create solutions that meet your family's unique needs. Most people would rather have this type of outcome than have a judge who doesn't know your children or your daily life make those decisions for them. Second, on the whole, it generally reduces conflict. As the mediator, I provide a structured, neutral environment where the goal is to find common ground, not to win a fight or a case. The focus is on solutions for the future, and that's especially beneficial when children are involved. It allows you to build a parenting plan that protects their best interests and minimizes the emotional impact of the separation. Finally, bottom line, it is cost effective. By avoiding lengthy court battles and unpredictable attorney fees, you can save a significant amount of time and money. So, what does this look like in practice? Well, the process is straightforward. We start with an initial meeting to discuss your case information and maybe some of your goals for mediation. From there, the parties gather the necessary information like financial and property records, and we begin our session or sessions after that. My role is to facilitate the conversation, to help you identify the issues that you need to find solutions for, and to explore options in a constructive and a collaborative way. Once you reach an agreement, I help you put a basic written agreement down and have both parties sign it. This ensures that the terms agreed to in our session can be communicated to the court and that both sides are bound by the agreements they make. There may be some additional paperwork to prepare and submit to the court, and as a mediator, I'm not allowed to create those documents for you, but if everything goes well, you'll leave our mediation with a durable and a mutually acceptable agreement that puts you on a path toward having things wrapped up once and for all. Is pro se mediation the right path for you? Well, mediation without attorneys can be a successful option for many, but it requires a few things: a willingness to collaborate in good faith, open and respectful communication, and a basic level of mutual respect. It's generally not recommended in cases with a history of domestic violence or if there is a significant power imbalance or extremely complex financial assets. But if you're in Kentucky and wondering if this approach is right for your family, I'm happy to discuss the idea. So if you're ready to try to find solutions, then try Cedar Ridge Solutions.